Cardboard Quest
at all.
Okay, so today I think we're making a microphone.
We are, and Chester, we've got one that we made earlier.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we're all going to take our own take on it, aren't we? We aren't professionals, so if we can do it, so can you.
So do it.
The main materials, I guess, that we've got in front of us is stuff that you can collect at home.
Hopefully you've been collecting some cardboard, not been putting it straight into the recycling, ready for this. We've been hoarding everywhere.
I only got a little bit.
You're going to need a few tools. Probably the main one is scissors. If you're a small person, we recommend that you have your older person in your house to do the cutting for you if you are small.
Poor Chester.
Another thing that you'll probably need, or we recommend that you use, is masking tape, which you can get from all good shops that sell these sort of things.
You can use sellotape, but obviously, ideally, as recyclable as possible. If afterwards the event and you have used sellotape, take the sellotape off so you can still recycle the cardboard.
That's all really you need, so let's do it.
Let's get to it. For my brilliant microphone, best one you've ever seen before, I am just using 3 toilet roll tubes. What are they called? Yeah, tubes.
Yeah.
3 toilet roll tubes. Nice and simple. I'm sure, as most of you have bulk bought your toilet roll, you should have tubes left over.
Lily's done quite a modern microphone, and I've decided to go for a vintage style microphone. I'm going to also use 3 toilet rolls, thank you very much. So,
Very nice.
bear in mind I haven't actually done this yet, I've had no practice, so it's going to be...
Yeah, like you, Kate's doing it for the first time.
Yes.
I'm a step ahead. For mine, I'm just going to get ready and test some masking tape. Just so
That's a good idea.
so it's a bit easier. Stick it on the edge of my table.
I'm actually going to do the opposite. I'm going to cut out my shapes first.
Nice.
To build
Ooh,
it and then see
controversial.
where I need the tape.
Controversial.
Yeah. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I'm feeling confident actually.
Good.
Yeah, I've got an idea in my
So you
mind,
should
got a
be.
plan, got
So
a
you
plan.
should be.
Start by cutting one of my toilet rolls right up the middle so that I can make it into a bigger shape.
How do you feel about this right now?
I'm wondering if this masterpiece was a one-off or if I can recreate it, I'll be honest. For mine, you could either just stick your 2 tubes together nice and simple, but what I did, my cone effect. So what I did, cut up to almost the top.
That's a cut almost to the top of the toilet roll.
Almost to the top of the toilet
Almost to
roll.
the
You
top
heard
of the
it
toilet
here.
roll.
And then I just simply fold over there.
That's a lovely fold there.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
And get a bit of my tape, don't need that much, stick over, and there is the bottom of my microphone. The next stage for me, this can be a little bit fiddly as you can tell.
It's very fiddly.
I am going to put this just in here.
You're tucking your slightly coned tube into your normal tube.
It's exactly what I'm doing, well observed.
I'm just making it clear.
And again, I'm going to simply just tape round. I mean, this isn't vital, but you know, just in case you go a bit mad when you're on your microphone, you don't want it to fly off in half, do you?
Yeah, that would be mad.
Here is the base for my microphone.
Yeah. How are you doing over here, Kate?
So to make the kind of main structure of my microphone, I have cut both toilet rolls, make it into kind of one bigger kind of shape because I'm going for kind of the vintage kind of rectangular microphone.
I can see that.
Yeah.
So yeah, just make kind of one bigger toilet roll.
So the next stage for me is I am cutting up the middle of one of these.
So you've cut a tube in half.
I've cut a tube in half, and then I'm going to cut again in half, but what way is this? Horizontally?
Yeah, well you're cutting the other way.
And I'm going to cut the long way again in half. So
That is what you're doing.
So you will have 4 pieces when you pick the one that's landed off of the floor.
And what I'm just doing is taping the inside. So as Lily said, when we were possibly fighting and moving around and rocking out, you don't want that microphone to break on you while you're rocking out.
Yeah, you've got to think practicality with these things because we want to see you performing with your made items.
So now I've got my 4 strands, as it were. I am going to start sticking them on. Got a bit of a flat, but it's alright. It's alright. It's not a learning curve.
Oh, I'm starting to see what you're doing there.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
I see it.
Yeah. And then I'm sticking another one across.
So you're layering like your cut segments of a tube.
I am late. I'm learned. How are you getting on, Kate?
Yeah, good. I've made my kind of main shape of the microphone.
Nice.
Now,
Remember, there are other bits of
yes,
stuff
I might
available.
have a look.
Just a few bits.
Have a look around.
See, I need a thin piece.
Cereal box.
Yeah, that's a good shout.
And then now I'm just going over, and then this one we're going over there. Okay.
Perfect.
Can you just help me? Can you just tear that in half, please?
Okay, have you got an update for us on the microphone levels?
I have. The structure is done.
Well,
So now it's just decorating it to make it look from this to this masterpiece.
yeah.
There it is. I've got my lunchbox with pens.
Yeah. Hold on. Does anybody hear that?
What?
It's Chester's 10-second takeover. I'm gonna try and now make a microphone in 10 seconds because I know that there are some people out there that will think, oh, I just haven't got enough time to get involved in Cardboard Quest, so I'm just not gonna do it. And to me, to you,
To me, to you.
I say 10 seconds and I will prove it. I am gonna grab my things that I need.
Oh, well, is that not cheating?
Well, I would hope that if someone was about to try and make something, they
true.
would just get their things ready.
True. All right, I'll let you off.
Okay, 10 seconds
10
is
seconds
really
on the
quick. I'm just
timer.
realising now how quick 10
It's
seconds
really
is.
quick. Okay.
10
10 seconds is woo.
3,
seconds.
2, 1, start.
Oh, my.
8,
You're not gonna do it.
7,
You're not.
6, halfway. 5, 4, 3, that's it.
5, 4, 3. That's it. Is that a microphone?
And there we go, my 10-second microphone. Anyone can do it if you believe. I really like it. That's Chester's 10-second takeover.
So now I am just simply drawing my details. I'm just drawing lines, not very straight ones because I'm not very good at it. Making it look like a microphone, you know? Or trying to anyway.
And I'm adding the top of my microphone, cut a strip of cardboard. I put 2 slits in. It's a really good way of making cardboard curve. So, little tip for you there.
That's a really good tip, that.
Thanks.
That's some good lines that you're drawing there, Lils. It's really starting to look like a microphone.
Thank you. I appreciate your sarcasm. Oh, these lines are hard. You've got to go all the way around the curve. I think this makes me a professional artist at this moment in time.
I think it does as well, especially with that squiggly line. You can always get a bit abstract. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to sort of suggest this is the thing that I say words into.
Like,
Sometimes.
I mean, if we're talking abstract, you really are showing us abstract.
Exactly. This is my point.
Your cabbage that you're talking into.
Oh, that's
Woo!
looking really good there.
Thank you.
Okay, awesome.
Thanks. So now, on microphones, they seem to always have like a little band. I don't really know why, but I'm doing it.
Okay, I think I'm happy with that. I think I'm going to add the detail in when
Cool.
I,
It's looking good. So you're going to do like a stand for it?
I am indeed.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Some people out there have been making costumes that are inspired by artists.
Yeah, that's true.
Some are even sort of impersonating artists.
Mhm.
Or you can turn yourself into a musician with cardboard. It's up to you, but we want to see it.
I, on here, did buttons, but is there buttons on the side of the microphone?
Sometimes there is,
Right,
but
well, I'm going
sometimes
to
there's
put it.
not.
You know what I haven't done on that one? I'm going to decorate this one. I'm going to add colour.
So you're now cutting out the stand for yours. Is
I
that what
am.
you're doing? And Lils, you're colouring in you're doing some decals.
I am.
Decals
I
on
thought
the microphone.
if I had a dream microphone, if I could sing, I'd want it with stars and hearts all over it. Because why not? It would be sparkly too, but you know, I'm going to keep going until Kate's finished and then keep decorating.
So you've managed to rearrange your kind of thing into a stand.
Yeah.
You're going for the droopy microphone look.
Wow.
think- Yeah, no, that's good though.
Decorating, decorating, decorating.
Yeah. Anyway, how are your decorations coming along?
Good, I've added dots and swirls now. So we've got some stars, we've got some hearts, we've got some dots, and we've got some swirls. My microphone is done.
Excellent. Well, we'll wait for Kate to catch up, and mine's definitely the best.
I'm not sure.
I'm 10 out of 10 certain. 10 out of 10 certain that mine is the best. Okay, so you've done your decorations.
I have.
Kate.
I've done my decorations.
That's really good.
Thank you. Yeah, came out all right in the end. The struggle was real a little bit at the beginning, but it's all about the creative process, I guess.
Yeah, figuring out as you go.
Yeah.
So there we go. We've shown you today how to make some microphones. One in 10 seconds, one in a few more
I
seconds.
think we all know whose isn't the best.
Yeah, we do.
Well, it's not a competition. Well, it is a sort of competition, but
We look forward to seeing your microphones that you make for Cardboard Quest. Use hashtag Cardboard Quest on your social medias to share with us your makings.
and where's
Look on www.hullabalooiw.com/cardboardquest to find out more details. And we will see you next time on episode 2 of Cardboard Quest Tutorials.
Bye!